Money for health and education, not for banks and corporations. Money for health and education, not for banks and corporations.
The irony of the whole damn thing is, as Bank of America continues to get its $100 million worth of tax breaks, right, and their bailout dollars, right, now we're caught up in a blame the victim game, right? So the poor, the vulnerable, the elderly, students, labor, right? We're all the problem, right? Well, you know as well as I do, we do not have a budget deficit. Let me repeat that. We do not have a budget deficit. We have a deficit up there of social services. There's not enough being provided for our people right now, right? We've got a deficit of jobs. The government is not leveraging the types of jobs we need to be doing. We've got a deficit of leadership up there, right? And we've got a deficit of revenue. It's time for banks like Bank of America, for insurance companies, for corporate America to pay their damn fair share to take care of our needs.
Money for health and education, not for banks and corporations.
All right, so this is Sandra, and she's the bank manager, and she's going to take this bill and send it on to the corporate headquarters. So Sandra, I just want to say to you that those of us who were in the orange vest here walked all the way from Auburn to Olympia because we're very concerned about what's going to happen to people who are vulnerable in our state, to children, to seniors, to education. And so we are here to let you know that the Bank of America is not paying what they should be paying to help support these programs. We would like to ask you to send this to your corporate headquarters and let them know that all over this state and all over this country, people are very concerned about the banks paying their fair share. We're all in this together, and we all have to handle this crisis together.
Money for health and education, not for banks and corporations. Money for health and